Trimans, inline hydraulic shearing machines, manufactured by NuGEN Machineries Ltd.
Hydraulic shear is a machine that uses hydraulic system and blades to cut a workpiece. NuGEN machines are built considering the performance of machines for decades, not for years. NuGEN machine structures are designed keeping in mind the highest factor of safety, keeping in mind the weight and durability factor of machines. We prioritize longevity, accuracy, precision, and performance.
Trimans special purpose, inline hydraulic shears, perform as an attachment to the main production machine. The encoder receives digital input and feedback regarding RPM, or speed, position, and direction, in form of pp.FR pulse per revolution to execute predetermined cuts, at, or after, pre-calculated length.
When you purchase a Trimans fixed rake angle hydraulic shear, the angle stays set, or is fixed, as per the predetermined settings. Engineers and tech experts at NuGEN Machineries Ltd. calculate the exact angle required to provide superior shear quality for the range of material thickness and material length provided by you.
Trimans special purpose inline hydraulic shears, from NuGEN Machineries Ltd., are engineered to provide Ulta Precise Cuts, for mass production, in sheet metal working industry.
Dedicated to creating better technology, to ensure better results.
NuGEN Machineries Limited.
Innovation, perfection, reliability.